Hello, this is Nick with Nick's Computer Fix, and here's a video on PZOZ portable watch charger, unboxing, setup, and a mini review. By the way, click on that like button and that subscribe button when you get a chance. Here is the Apple Watch SE GPS that I will be charging with the portable charger from PZOZ. And let's go ahead and take a look at the box here very quickly. And once we've done that, let's go ahead and unbox this as quickly as possible. And we'll pull it out. And the first thing we can see is the portable watch fast charger instructions. And we'll put that aside for now. And we'll pop this out. And this is it. This is the PZOZ portable charger, and a close-up look, you can see it says model PD40 with a battery capacity of 2000 milliamps and a rated capacity of 1200 milliamps, which is what you see on the back of this portable power bank. And if we flip this around, you can see we have a key strap and we have a key ring that came included with this. And it looks like a high quality ring, and it slips on very easily, and that's how you go about putting the ring on this power bank. Now I will take off the watch here and go ahead and see if we can charge the watch on this new portable power bank. And before this starts to work, we have to push the power button right here, and then these three lights, the three blue lights on the left side of the power button, will light up. And in this case, all three are lit, which means this power bank is fully charged, and we should be able to charge this right up. And as you can see, we are successfully charging the watch at this time with the PZOZ portable watch charger. Now, one last thing, you might be wondering, how do you charge the PZOZ portable charger bank? And on the side here, there's two ports. One's a lightning port, and the second one is a USB-C port. So you can use a USB-C cable or a lightning cable to charge this portable charger bank up. And it's a little slippery there. All right, this is how you go about doing it. Also, let me mention that you can get about 5 recharges on your watch from this PZOZ portable power bank. And when you are not using it to charge your Apple Watch, you can carry it around on your keychain. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to click on that like button and that subscribe button to see more great videos like this one.